All right. So I delivered 2 sessions here, both of them on Office 365. One was just kind of a getting ready for Office 365. Here's all the things you do beforehand, things to think about. The other session was, I call it Office 365 Doesn't Mean You're Fired. And it's a session for IT pros all about what administration do you still do and what does it look like in Office 365. So Office 365, we announced it in November. It's actually still in beta. It's not out yet. But it is a hosted solution or a cloud-based solution for mail and SharePoint and Link instant messaging for customers. So rather than you having to manage your Exchange servers, your SharePoint servers, those all live in a Microsoft data center. And we manage them for you. Yeah, right now, Microsoft is all in with the cloud. The hotness is all the cloud technology. So you've got Windows Azure as a development platform, Office 365 as service offerings in the cloud. Intune actually just went live, is another cloud-based offering for doing computer management, patching, and things like that. Yeah, I mean the cloud stuff is getting a lot of attention from us right now, and then I guess, kind of aligned with that is all management tools. We just came from the Microsoft Management Summit, so management is kind of top of mind because they just announced a lot of great new tools for managing a private cloud, or your own a cloud that you host yourself in your data center. So TechNet Edge is it's about 3.5 years old now. The site really came about as where can IT pros go to get a Backstage Pass into Microsoft. So there's a lot of different content up there, but kind of at the core, the heart is myself and a couple of my colleagues going into program managers' offices, product managers' offices, saying, what are you guys working on? Show me something cool, and help me understand why IT pros care. How is this going to help an IT pro go home earlier or get his job done sooner? And my goal really with that is and condense that story into 10 or 15 minutes because that's all the time IT pros have before their phone starts ringing, before email starts coming in that they've got other stuff to fix. So kind of giving people a quick hit. Here's something that's coming, and we've got some other deeper content on there as well. So people have put up screencasts and walkthroughs and other kind of longer format content to give you a little bit more in-depth information on a particular topic. Always focusing on really what's the newest stuff coming out of Microsoft, what's the latest and greatest. What's next for me? So TechNet Edge is going to be at TechEd in North America this year. We're going to have a stage set up. We're going to be doing interviews on stage. So if you're going to be at TechEd, I would say come by, check it out, watch our interviews live. There may be an opportunity for Q&A with the guests at those. That's kind of a big deal for us because that'll be about 3 days of busy shooting for us at TechEd. And from there, as new products come out, the System Center line all announced new products. Office 365 is going to be hitting general availability sometime later this year, so there'll be lots of new content that we'll try to bring you on edge around all those.